Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding through on how to send snap without media upload on Snapchat. Maybe you want to send a picture or a video on Snapchat and it's having this media labeling on the picture or the video and you don't like it. In this today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to send it without media label. Okay. If this is your first time visiting this channel, please do have to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order for you to know where we create more helpful videos like this on this channel. So let's dive right into the video. First, on your Snapchat here, you are going to be clicking on this arrow pointing down and click on director mode. On director mode, you are going to be clicking on the last option. Put and click on memories. On memories here, you are going to be selecting the picture or the video you want to send to your friend on Snapchat. So here you are going to be selecting the picture and click on preview, clicking on send to. So here you are going to be selecting whoever you want to send it to, or you can still send it to your story. Okay, so that is it on how to send pictures or videos with Snapchat without media upload. So we have come to the very end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please do have to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and tell me in the comment section if you still have any problem with Snapchat. See you guys in the next one. Bye.